Bit of a special video today. Yeah, the opening of a Stella. Oh, I nearly fucked the rimple up then. Can't be having that, can I? Oh yeah, that was like, oh, that's heaven. Oh, ice cold as well. It tastes like fucking heaven. Anyway, never mind that shit. Special day today, right? It's Louise's 40th birthday. How the fuck did I end up with a 40-year-old bird? Oh, yeah. Right. I'm doing a little, something simple, right? But special. See them little beauties? They're not a pousson, because they're a little bit big to be a pousson, but just a small chicken, right? I'm going to cook us one of these each. Look at it. Ah. In the words of Hannah Wright, ain't it cute? But then again, this is the girl that thinks it's a viable option other than a fucking otter as a pet, swimming around it fucking bath, pissing and shitting everywhere. Right, yeah, got that. Now, cream cheese, double cream, some Parmesan cheese. Now, I'm going to do a sauce with this and some other bits and bats, which I don't know about yet, because I fucking forgot, and I ain't done my fucking homework, right? But I never fucking do I? The first thing I'm going to do, right? I've had a bit of a brainwave. I'm going to change it. Yep. Just going to get my knife, chop it straight in half. Yeah, just like that. Can you see? Can you see that there? Yeah. The reason being, I was going to cook them full, and I thought, they're going to be better than half. They're going to look better than half on the plate. Otherwise, you're chasing the fuck around, aren't you, trying to eat the cunt? Half. Next thing. I'm going to open a sea salt. Black pepper I ground in blender. Apart from that bit. Get the black pepper in, lad. Get the black pepper in, lad. Obviously, they're on a rack, and there's water underneath. I'm going to cover these in tin foil now and cook them on 180 degrees for 30 minutes, and we'll check them. 180 degrees is gas mark 4 and 356 monkey magics. Right, I've got a disclaimer here. The disclaimer is, I actually don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So I'm going to wing this. Right. Medium heat on the pan. Butter. Garlic. Now, apparently I'm going to stir this in, yeah? And this will take roughly about a minute, right? But I don't expect you to sit here for a fucking minute. Now that's melted, and the garlic, the fragrance of the garlic is coming through like, oh, right up my nostrils, burning my hairs under there. Cream. Chicken stock. And again, I've just got to stand here and stir this motherfucker. Now that's going nicely. Apparently, I've never heard this before. Right, Parmesan cheese and cream cheese. Get it in. Get off the fucking spoon, you can. Now, I'm going to attempt to stir all this shit in now. Oh, this is fucking turning out fucking chronically shit. I know it is. And last but not least, just on this sauce anyway, we want... Oh, what are you? What are you buggerations? Right. Bit of salt. Bit of pepper. And a bit of oregano. There we go. And yet again, I'm just going to stir this motherfucker. And then I'm going to get this off the heat. Wow, that fucking oregano's fucking strong. Right, I'll get this off the heat. And I'll sort the chicken out. The chips and the onion rings. Woohoo! Oh, I better check this fucking chicken and all, haven't I? Make sure it's not black. Yeah. Before any fucking smart ass has anything to say about that fucking sauce I just did, right? 'Cause let's face it, YouTube's full of fucking smart asses, isn't it? Apart from me, I'm not a smart ass, I'm just a fucking thick fucking northern monkey, as Connor Cook always calls me. Fucking southern panzer. Oh, no fucking pistol if it fucking raped him up the arse, would it? Yeah, I was saying, I forgot to put flour in that at a certain time, and I forgot to put vegetable oil in as well. But I did add the flour, it got a bit lumpy, I sorted it out, but I didn't bother with the vegetable oil. But I tell you what, you'll see it in a bit, that looks fucking awesome, and it tastes fucking good as well. That oregano I put in was really fucking powerful, burnt my nostrils and everything, but I tell you what, the taste is fucking awesome. Right, are we ready to dish this out? I think so. Right. Let's first things first, eh? A lot of first things are first, aren't they? We're going to do this, right. Half a chicken. Oh, yeah. Oh. Right. Half a chicken. Now, obviously, this is not for Louise because she won't be able to eat all that, will she? This is for Josh. He's like a human dustbin. You motherfucker. Right, first thing as well, before I put anything else. A bit of salt on the chips. Bit of vinegar. You can't have vinegar. Salt and vinegar on chips, aren't you? Now, you're not telling me that's just northern. And there's that sauce. All I'm going to do, yeah? Drizzle that over there like that. Oh. Fucking orgasmic. Yeah? Don't tip it too much, otherwise it'll fall off the fucking plate round to the side, won't it? And then you've got to have, right? Oh God, they're kidding me. I'd to have crinkle cut chips. Right, if you like that episode, please like, comment and subscribe. But hey, that's not what we're here for, is it? Just 1 second, I'll just go and get it. This is why we're here. Big bottle of champagne. This is my tasty bird here is 40-year-old today, aren't you, love?
Yep, but I don't look it, so that's
yeah?
right.
Like I said before, how the fuck did I end up with a 40-year-old bird?
How did I end up with a 40-year-old flipping man?
Easy. Oh, fucking cats, love. Should we get this off? Hey! Happy birthday, love.
Thank you. I love you.
Right, yeah, I love you too. Let's not get all soppy on camera.
No.
Right. Where's your glass?
We're not soppy.
Here we go. You can't see this. Well, love.
Especially waiting.
Bit of champagne. And where's my glass?
At the glass. 40. Hey, let's celebrate.
Yeah, that's years, not stone.
I've made it another year.
And mine's a pint glass.
Cheers.
Ooh, cheers. Oh.
Don't you just love the bubbles?
Fucking hell, yeah. Oh.